Hello everybody, I am Dr. Anjana Bhandari, Associate Professor in Swarnim University. Today we are going to learn about row space, column space and null space problem. In previous we discussed about two examples. Now again example 3. Find a basis for the row space of A consisting entirely the row vectors of A. We know that row space is equal to column space of A transpose. Therefore, basis for the row space of A is equal to transpose of the basis for the column space of A transpose. A transpose convert each row in column and column in row, vice versa. So A transpose, reducing the matrix A transpose to row echelon form, 1 3 minus 1 2 0 1 minus 4 upon 14 5 upon 14 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 is equal to B. Say the leading ones appear in column 1 and 2 basis for column space of A transpose. So leading one of A transpose is equal to 1 4 5 6 9 3 minus 2 1 4 minus 1. Transpose of this column is 1 4 5 6 9 3 minus 2 1 4 minus 1 is the row space of A. Next, find a basis for the column space of A consisting of vectors that are not entirely the column vector of A. Solution: we know that column space of A is equal to row space of A transpose. Therefore, basis for the column space of A is equal to transpose of the basis for the row space of A transpose. Transpose the matrix A, changing the row as a column and column as a row, vice versa. So 1 minus 2 7 0, 1 minus 1 4 0, 3 2 minus 3 5, 2 1 minus 1 3. Reducing the matrix A transpose to row echelon form, we get the matrix B as 1 1 3 2 0 1 8 5 0 0 1 3 upon 5 0 0 0 0. So basis for the row space of A transpose is equal to non-zero rows of B, that is 1 1 3 2 0 1 8 5 0 0 1 3 upon 5. Transpose of these row is 1 1 3 2 0 1 8 5 0 0 1 3 5 as the basis for the column space of A. Find a basis for the space spanned by the vectors v1, v2, v3, v4. Solution: the space spanned by these vectors is the row space of the matrix 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 minus 2 0 2 2 0 minus 3 0 3. Reducing the matrix A to row echelon form is SB 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Basis for the given space is basis for the row space of A, non-zero rows of B, that is 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Find the basis for the space spanned by the vectors v1 is equal to 1 2 1 2, v2 is equal to 2 1 2 1, v3 is equal to 3 2 3 2, v4 is equal to 3 3 3 3 and v5 is equal to 5 3 5. That is column vectors. In previous example, we take given the v1, v2, v3, v4 as row vectors. So the space spanned by these vectors is the column space of the matrix 1 2 1 2, 2 1 2 1, 3 2 3 2, 3 3 3 3, 5 3 5 3. Reducing the matrix A to row echelon form, we get 1 2 3 3 5 0 1 4 upon 3 1 7 upon 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. The leading ones appear in column 1 and 2. So basis for the column space is v1 and v2 is equal to 1 2 1 2, 2 1 2 1, which is also the basis for the space spanned by the given vectors. Thank you. Any doubts, contact my email id anjana.bandari2011 @gmail.com.